Hi everyone and welcome back. It's been 11 weeks since I started my hot pepper seeds. In this video, I'll be going through some seedling maintenance that I've been performing. So let's get started. Starting with the seedling trays in the shed, trays 1 and 2 under the grow lights with reflective material in my shelving unit are doing really well. It's my first year using reflective material and it appears to be making a difference. Tray 3 under the LED grow lights are also doing great. The only drawback for all 3 in the shed is that aphids have started to appear on the seedlings, so I have been using eco oil mixed with water as a foliar spray. This product is also useful to battle a wide variety of other pests in the garden, and it's also approved for organic gardening. Over to the greenhouse. This time last year it wasn't ready, so I've been able to take advantage of it, and for 2 good reasons. 1. This year I ended up with more seedlings due to growing more varieties, so it has the space I need for my extra seedlings. And 2. It is also the perfect growing environment with no signs of aphids or other pests at this stage. Here are 5 seedlings that I have chosen to show you how and why I top my pepper plants. The first is 3 Friariello seedlings in one pot. This is also known as the sweet Italian frying pepper. As you can see, this has gone tall and has buds. At this stage, you don't want your seedlings putting their energy into producing buds or flowers. You want them to put their energy into growing into a productive plant. So I'm going to remove the buds and also some of the stem to allow the seedling to put energy into growing outwards for a bushier plant. The next 4 are giant cherry bombs. I've been growing this variety for the past 2 years, and for some reason this variety is the only one other than the Friariello that always seems to produce buds and flowers as seedlings. When topping your plant, you want to cut on a 45-degree angle so that water can slide down and not collect on the stem and cause disease. You also don't want to remove all the leaves, as the plant requires them for photosynthesis. I would recommend leaving a minimum of 4 to 6 leaves on the plant after topping. This last cherry bomb wasn't leggy but had quite a few buds on it. I didn't need to top this, however I was careful to remove all the buds and leave enough foliage for the plant to continue to grow. Here is what the seedlings look like after their haircuts. You'll notice the cherry bomb plant in the middle is still tall. I purposely didn't cut any more of the main stalk off because this only had 4 large leaves left on it. There is more growth occurring on this plant, as you can just see the new nodes. As the plant gets older and grows more foliage, I may top this again. We will wait and see further into the season if any further topping is required. All that's left to do now is give them a feed with sea salt fish tonic, and I'm using Power Feed tomato and vegetable fertiliser as opposed to chili focus because I find this works better in the early stages of growth. I'm now going to put these back and check on their progress in a week's time. It's been a week since topping my plants. I ended up topping quite a few. Let's take a look at the trays in the shed first. These 3 trays have had aphids attack the plants, so I've been monitoring them closely. Despite this, they continue to grow and produce lush green foliage. And finally to the greenhouse where the seedlings are absolutely loving it. I have taken advantage of the warmer weather and started some additional plants. Here are 4 different varieties of sunflower that I started a week ago. Next to some more Italian heirloom basil which has sprouted, some coriander cilantro plants that are yet to pop up, and 3 peach ghost scorpions. The tomatoes and cucamelons are also doing good and are nearing transplant into larger pots. I have also swapped around these seedlings with the basil. These weren't getting enough light, so I've moved the basil to the far right corner of the greenhouse and placed these pepper seedlings where they'll receive more light. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you same chilly time, same chilly channel.